natural health for beginners.
How to make lavender salve. In this video, you'll learn how to make a soothing, all-natural lavender salve that's perfect for calming irritated skin and helping with relaxation. Lavender salve is easy to make at home with a few simple ingredients. Let's dive into the process, along with the exact quantities you'll need. Ingredients: dried lavender flowers, ½ a cup. Dried lavender flowers are essential for infusing the salve with a lovely fragrance and therapeutic properties. Olive oil, 1 cup. Olive oil acts as the base carrier oil, which will infuse with lavender and provide nourishment to the skin. Beeswax pellets, 1 ounce, about 2 tablespoons. Beeswax gives the salve a solid consistency, making it easy to apply and store. Lavender essential oil, 10 to 15 drops for an extra burst of lavender aroma and therapeutic effect. Optional: vitamin E oil, 1 teaspoon. Vitamin E oil helps to preserve the salve and adds extra skin-nourishing benefits. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Infuse the oil. Combine the lavender and olive oil. Place the dried lavender flowers and olive oil in a double boiler. Heat gently. Allow the lavender to infuse into the oil for 1 to 2 hours on low heat. Stir occasionally to help release the lavender's natural oils. Step 2. Strain the oil. Strain the mixture. Once the oil has infused, use a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to strain out the lavender flowers, leaving you with lavender-infused olive oil. Step 3. Melt the beeswax. Combine oil and beeswax. Add the lavender-infused oil and beeswax pellets to a double boiler. Melt together. Stir the mixture until the beeswax is completely melted and combined with the oil. Step 4. Add essential oils. Mix in lavender essential oil. Once the beeswax and oil are well blended, remove from heat and add the lavender essential oil and optional vitamin E oil. Stir well. Ensure the essential oil is fully incorporated. Step 5. Pour into containers. Pour the mixture into jars. While still warm, pour the salve into small glass jars or tins. Let it set. Allow the salve to cool and solidify, which should take around 1 to 2 hours. Final tips: store in a cool, dry place. Use within 6 to 12 months for best results. This simple lavender salve recipe is perfect for personal use or gifting. Enjoy the calming and soothing benefits of lavender in this homemade skincare product. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.